Good morning, students. Welcome back to your SST class. I hope you all are fine. Well, children, today we are going to start with a new chapter as I've already explained you in our Zoom class with an activity of space rocket. So, children, today we are going to start with a new chapter, Sunita in Space. Now, this chapter is all about Sunita Williams. Sunita Williams, she is an American astronaut, and we are going to study about her experience in space. Now, before studying about her experience in space, we need to understand some more important terms which are related to space. So, children, first we are going to study about some important terms of space. Now, first, we should know what do we understand by space. Space, it is the universe beyond the Earth's atmosphere. Everything which is away or beyond the Earth's atmosphere. In the sky, that is space. All the stars, celestial bodies, satellites, etc. are in space. Now, the universe. What do you understand by the universe? The universe is the name that we use to describe the collection of all the things that exist in space. Here we are talking about everything what is there in the space that we can touch, we can see, is the universe. It is made up of many millions of stars and planets and very big clouds of gas separated by large empty space. Now, when we are talking about universe, we need to know Big Bang theory. So, what is Big Bang theory? Now, with the picture, if you can make out, this is a bang. Bang means an explosion. So, now let us study about Big Bang theory. How was the universe formed? It is believed that many years ago there was a big explosion or a bang and a huge fireball was created. Now this idea is known as the Big Bang. The fireball slowly cooled down and formed tiny particles, and this is how the universe was created. Now, after the universe, we move on to our solar system. Solar system. Solar means sun. So here, the sun is the head of the family. Now, when we talk about our solar system, here we talk about the sun and its 8 planets. All these planets, they keeps revolving around the sun and they revolve in their own orbit. Means they have their own path to move around the sun. Now, what do you understand by solar system? It is the solar system is the sun and its family of 8 planets and other celestial bodies known as asteroids and the meteoroids. Now, what do you understand by celestial bodies? Celestial body means the sun, the moon and all the other objects that shines in the night sky are called celestial bodies. What are asteroids? Asteroids, apart from the stars, planets and satellites, there are numerous or many tiny bodies which also moves around the sun. These bodies are called asteroids. And meteoroids are the small pieces of rocks which moves around the sun. Now, let us understand some more terms related to the space only. Astronomy. Now, what do you mean by astronomy? It is the study of all celestial objects such as planets, stars, galaxies and space. Astronomer. Who is an astronomer? Astronomer is a scientist in the field of astronomy. They are who studies about stars, planets, moons, galaxies, etc. Astronaut. Astronaut is a person who is specially trained to travel into outer space, like Neil Armstrong, the first man who stepped on the moon, Sunita Williams, right? So, we are going to study about Sunita Williams' experience in our next class. So, children, that's it for today. I'm going to send one worksheet along with this. So, please solve that worksheet in your fair notebooks. I hope you like it. Thank you. Have a good day, children.